Malinkie, so insanely lekker this morning to prepare something at our very own shop. So today we're making flapjack mix that we sell in our shop. And it's extremely easy to do this because all you need is water and this. But you can also, like we like it a little bit more rich. So we use a little bit of milk, 50-50 milk, 50-50 water. So 150 milliliters of water, 150 milliliters of milk. And so all you do is you just tap it like this. Okay? Then you put in the water milk mix, close the lid, turn it upside down till everything falls into the water. And then you leave it for about 10 minutes and then you take it, shake it, bake it. So while that is resting, we're going to take bacon, lightly glaze it with Zam honey, baby. So that goes into the air fryer for crispy honey glazed bacon and flapjacks. So come with me when I prepare those johnnies and I'll show you how easy it is to make a Trans-Africa Bush Gear flapjack breakfast.
These johnnies.
So Malinkie, let's do this. So Malinkie, now we do the 150 ml water and another 150 ml lighty milk. So now the recipe says you have to like stamp this fast like this. Okay? So open the cap, and this has a shelf life. This only expires in July of 2027, and once you've mixed it, it can be in your yskas for most probably 7 days to 10 days. So if you don't use up all of this at once, you just leave it in your yskas. So now we turn it around like that. So once that johnnies falls into the mixture, hey, now you see I've stamped it too much, but leave it like that. So now we're going to make the next batch. 150 ml water and 150 ml milk. Maybe I stamped that too hard. Right, so this now goes in here. Listen, flapjacks for breakfast have never been easier than this. So yeah, now we leave it like that. And once that drops in, oh yeah, there you see, there it goes now. So I'll show you once that is dropped in. We'll take it from there. Easy, man, easy. Right, so now in the miracle of time, Malinkie, that has dropped in. So now we're going to leave it like that for 10 minutes. And then we're going to shake and bake, baby, shake and bake. But in the meantime, we'll now glaze the bacon with honey. Right, so baby, now I think a little bit more of this Zam honey. So now all you do is you lightly coat your bacon with honey. And then you just root it through properly so that all the bacon gets coated in a light drizzle of honey like this. So we're gonna do it the cooking way this morning. So we're gonna put it in our air fryer. But there's the balklapper and there's the Angola gin. That's nothing to do with the recipe. But Anna had a lekker surprise. So I said to Anna this morning, so Anna, please taste what? Angola gin. And she thinks that this is like a bottle of pre-mix. And we buy this gin in Angola for 7 rand. So Anna reads everything. Oh, it's original London dry gin. And she takes a moose slug of clean 45% gin. I wish you could see the face. So yeah, now when this is mixed through, this now goes into the air fryer. So Malinkie, now you have to shake this for 20 seconds, like properly shake it. And after that, you let it stand for 10 minutes, I think they say. Rest batter for 10 to 12 minutes starting now. So this is the choc chip Johnny, and that's the normal one. Man, this is gonna be epic. So yeah, now this must rest for 10 minutes. And so please get this online from our shop, Trans Africa Bush Gear. Search Flapjack Mix in our shop. You can thank me later. Trust me, you'll see. You'll see, wait. Right, start die Flapjack fabriek. Let's do this. Master Baker. Hierdie ou is not the first time he's pouring flapjacks. Maar kyk net how easy it is. Hey Jaco.
Baie maklik.
In the biggest, it has never been this easy to make flapjacks. So now we leave it till it's brown underneath, then we turn it other side up. Moer. Check net. The perfect pour. Right, so I'll show you when this is done. Right, Jakes. My broer. The most perfect of perfect flapjacks. I promise you, flapjacks made have never ever been more easier than this. Check this out. And check net, the vultures are circling again. Check the vultures. Jaco, flippin' well done. Flippin' well done. So yeah, let me go check the bacon. Baby Jane, kos checkie bacon. Kos checkie bacon, kos checkie bacon. Let's check. Woo, baby Jane.
Nee, nog.
Nog 'n bietjie. One. Woo, honey glazed bacon. Loading.
Nee, hulle moet aangaan.
Yes, baby, we're gonna eat lekker this morning. Man. So I promise you this, nee. It has never ever been easier to make flapjacks and honey glazed bacon.
Doet my nie die meisies.
Woo, check for my linkie. Mimosa for breakfast, baby.
Ja, maar
Ja,
ek
but-
verdun dit nou met water.
But listen, in style, baby, in style.
Ja.
Kyk hy mooi glas. Check that beautiful mimosa glass. So bacon, 22 minutes. 22 minutes in the air fryer. Perfect bacon. So these Johnnies are ready. The flapjacks are ready. Yeah, my broer, there goes the last. One here, there's some more. And a whole buck full of.
Baie, né?
Yeah, Ari, my mond maak so. So there you go, you now saw.
Baie vinnig.
You saw. And Malinki, give us a taste test. You've tasted one of them?
Wie ah.
The egg. So it is honestly really that good. So shop to Bush, Flapjack Mix. Get yours, make it, let me know. Baby Jane, we think on everything. Even on tour, we bring our own wash lady with, ne? Check here, our own wash. Anna,
Anna, wat het jy nodig?
what's going on here? Listen, we don't pay you to drink, we pay you to wash.
Kan wash en drink, Georgie. So.
Show me how you wash and drink.
Wat is blikkie Anna?
Ooh, die kinders gaan hiervan hou. So yeah, we at Trans Africa. If you tour with us, we have a washing lady on duty for everybody. Our drink and wash. So yeah, let's do breakfast. So if this is not your idea of the perfect flapjack breakfast, honey glazed air fryer bacon, pusam, and flapjacks with nuts, berries, cream, and real Zambia honey. Moer, this is most probably the Kimunati Kaufellaste breakfast I've had in a long time.
Kyk op Jaco.
So this is my brother KD, ne? So he's tuning me now. It's the first time in his life that he has a flapjack.
And he's almost 89.
He's almost 89, looking good for 89, huh, Kevin?
Yeah, 89 good.
But
actually.
please give me your honest opinion of a flapjack, of this flapjacks.
This is very, very nice, and I've never had one in my life. So it's got bacon and cream, and what's the other thing?
Blueberries.
A blueberry.
Flapjack burger.
Lekker, lekker.
Say, go buy your flapjack mix from Trans Africa.
Trans-Africa flapjack mix. Dankie, George.
So, Michael, write that flapjack mix for me, please.
Those flapjacks, hey, from Trans-Africa
Best.
Bush Gear. The best I've
Ever.
It's like homemade.
Yeah, of course. It's like camp, mate.
I couldn't say
So,
the
yeah.
best because I've never had one before.
And you see, our laundry and dish lady is still busy. There. Anna? Anna? So if you're done there, please come vacuum my wagon, please.
Wagon.
Thank you.
It's a wagon.
So yeah, we bring our own cleaners with us on tour.
Ja, ek het nog, ek eers nou maar die net so dis lank.
So yeah. Say arrivederci, baby.
Arrivare.